The Aukfa STEM Robot Building Kit is an engaging educational tool that combines science, technology, engineering, and mathematics learning with hands-on fun through its 635-piece assembly. This kit includes multiple control options, allowing children to use either a remote or a comprehensive app that offers modes like gyro, path, and voice commands to enhance their programming skills. Equipped with robust engines and sturdy grip tracks, the robot can smoothly navigate different terrains, providing a dynamic play experience both indoors and outdoors. The building process is designed to inspire creativity and problem-solving skills, making it an excellent way for children to learn coding and robotics while enjoying teamwork and collaboration. Crafted from durable and child-safe materials, this kit ensures safety and longevity, meeting all necessary safety standards for worry-free play. Ideal for children from 6 years and older, this kit makes a fantastic gift for any occasion, encouraging young minds to explore their potential in STEM fields.